What is a specific bequest? A specific bequest is a type of gift inside of a will, or even a will substitute like a trust. It's where you say, I want to give my wedding band to my oldest child, John. I don't want to use my real oldest child. I don't pick any favorites. A specific bequest is a gift of money or of a specific item. So I would like to leave my baseball card collection to John Smith. You need to identify what that item is and identify the person that you're giving it to. It could also be given to a class. So I'd like to give the sum of $50,000 to be divided between my grandchildren. $50,000 is the specific sum of money, and the class of people is the grandchildren. If I had 4 grandchildren, or 6 or 9, they'd split the $50,000. What else can you give? You can give items of, let's make up some items. A baseball card collection. I don't have one of those. A comic book collection. I used to have more. I do have comic books. I used to have more. I lost them in Sandy. They were in my mother's basement. It's a shame. Comic book collection, a Hummel collection, a figurine collection, Swarovski crystals, jewelry. You could even say I'd like to leave all of my IBM stock. That's an old reference, right? I was thinking of Grumman stock. I had an uncle that worked for Grumman years ago, and 1 year for my birthday, he gave me 1 share of stock. Nice, right? I want to say it was like $25 at the time, and 1 share of stock, and I got the share certificate. So I could leave that 1 share of stock to my niece, my nephew, a person, right? A named individual. Let me see if there's anything else I wanted to say. A specific bequest is a gift of a particular asset, such as a house, jewelry, or artwork, to a named person in a will. The asset must be unmistakable, and the recipient must be without question. If the asset is no longer part of the estate at the time of death, no other item or money can replace it. If I say I'm going to give my headset to a certain person, if that person passed away before the will was used, no one else would get it unless it specified. And if this headset no longer was part of my estate when I passed away, then that person wouldn't get it either. So now, if I said I'd like to give the headset to John Smith, and in the event John Smith predeceased me, I'm going to give it to Jane Doe, well, then Jane Doe would wind up with it. That's about all I want to say about a specific bequest. But if you have any questions, please reach out. FrankBrunoLaw.com. Thank you.